Standard 9, exercise 2.5, example number 10. Verify that this is the most important sums. It is asked for 3 marks. 3 marks માટે આ sums પૂછાય. Okay. So concentrate here carefully and do yourself at least 3 times. ત્રણેક વખત તમે કરજો. તો first of all, left hand side x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz is equal to 1 upon 2x plus y plus z into bracket x minus y whole square y minus z whole square plus z minus x whole square. Okay, so left hand side I have taken x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz. I will make it factorized. Formula को डायरेक्ट लिखूं छू x plus y plus z x square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus yz minus zx. Clear? Now multiplied and divided. Multiplied and divided. Divide by 2. ऊपर અને નીચે આ 2 છે એના પરથી મને આઈડિયા આવી જાય. 2 upon 2 x plus y plus z x square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus yz minus zx is equal to આ 2 ને હું આમાં જવા દઉં છું. 1 upon 2 x plus y plus z 2x square plus 2y square plus 2z square minus 2xy minus 2yz minus 2zx is equal to 1 upon 2x plus y plus z. Now be careful. હવે બરાબર જો આ 2x square છે. I will split into x square into x square. 2x square is equal to x square plus x square. Right? Okay. So I will write 1x square here. Then I will write 2xy minus 2xy. To make it perfect square, what is the remaining? Y square. Y square. From 2y square, एक y square में यहाँ ले लो plus y square में जो यहाँ ले लो minus 2yz 2yz. I will take 1z square here plus z square minus 2zx minus Nippon plus z square plus x square. Okay, so it is z square minus plus x square. फरीથી रिपीट करिए. Okay, 2x square 2y square 2z square 2xy 2yz 2zx. This x square is split here. See here. X square plus x square. Y square plus y square. Z square plus z square. I will take 2xy, x and y. Yz, y and z. Zx, z and x. Okay. Very easy. Easy. If you have a question, you will get it. Okay. Don't worry about it. 1 upon 2 x plus y plus z. For this, a square minus 2ab plus b square x minus y whole square plus y minus z whole square plus z minus x whole square is equal to right hand side. is equal to right hand side. Get it? આના ઉપરથી આપણે આના પર આવી ગયા. Suppose you want to this one 2xy plus yz is go in inverse direction. Write these first steps. Expand it, you will get it. X square plus x square 2x square. Combine it, join kar do. Then 2 take the common, 2 to cancel, so you will get this x plus yz, that is equal to this one. Use this expansion. Get it or not? Chalo, left hand side, a second method, by taking the right hand side. Okay, 1 upon 2 x plus y plus z, x square minus 2xy plus y square minus 2yz plus z square minus 2zx plus 2 x square. Now combine this one, x plus y plus z, 2x square minus 2xy minus 2x square plus 2y square plus 2z square minus 2xy minus 2yz minus 2zx. 2 is common. X plus y plus z, x square plus y square plus z square plus minus xy minus yz minus zx. 2 to cancel. That is the formula for this one is equal to left hand side. તમને જે ફાવે તે કરો. મોસ્ટ ઓફ આ કરે તો વધારે સારું. Then depends upon you. Okay, get it? Example number 13. If x plus y plus z is equal to 0, show that x cube plus y cube plus z cube is equal to 3xyz. We know that આપણે શું જાણીએ, x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz is equal to x plus y plus z, x square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus yz minus zx. આ ફોર્મ્યુલા આવડતી છે ને તો બરાબર. ઓકે, therefore x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz is equal to x plus y plus z into bracket x square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus yz minus zx. Okay, now we are given x plus y plus z is equal to 0. That is the most important part of this example. આ તમારો main part છે કે x plus y plus z is equal to 0. Therefore x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz is equal to 0 multiplied by x square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus yz minus zx. X cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz 0 multiplied by x square y square plus z square minus xy minus y minus zx. 0 multiplied by anything is equal to કેટલા 1 કે 4? It is 0. 0 multiplied by anything is equal to 0. 1 4 1. X cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz. Therefore x cube plus y cube plus z cube is equal to 3xyz. That is we have verified. Okay, now in second sums, that is your formula. આ તમારી formula થશે. શું formula થશે? formula થશે તમારી 5 times લખી કાઢો. If x plus y plus z is equal to 0, then x cube plus y cube plus z cube is equal to 3xyz third. It will be here. If x plus y plus z is equal to 0, then x cube plus y cube plus z cube is equal to 3xyz. समझ पड़े? Suppose x is equal to -5, y is equal to 3, and z is equal to 2. Then x plus y plus z is equal to -5 plus 3 plus 2 is equal to 0. Therefore, -5 cube, 3 cube, 2 cube is equal to 3 minus 5, 3 into 2. Okay? 5 2s are 10, 3 3s are 9, minus 90 is your answer. Is it clear? 5 cube plus 3 cube plus 2 cube. हाँ एक આપણે બે બીજા सम्स આપેલા છે આપણે વ્યવસ્થિત લેશું એટલે you will get the more idea. 5 example number 14. Just આપણે એક सम्स લીધો તેના જેવો છે a formula. Let instead of x y z I will take abc. Okay, a is equal to -12, b is equal to 7, c is equal to 5. Sum of this one, a plus b plus c is equal to 0. So we know that a plus b plus c is equal to 0 we know that if a plus b plus c is equal to 0, we prove it. A plus b plus c is equal to 0. Therefore, a cube plus b cube plus c cube is equal to 3ab and c. A means -12, no cube. B means 5, no cube. C means 7, no cube. 5, no cube is equal to 3. -12, 7 and 5 is equal to minus. કેટલા આવશે minus 3 multiplied by 12 multiplied by 7 multiplied by 5. 1 2 6 0. That is your answer. Get it? Now second example, simplify. જો તમે આ રીતે ખોટું કરશો તો ખોટું 12 multiplied by 12 multiplied by -12 which is 7 multiplied, that is wrong. With the help of identities you have to do it. हाँ એમાં તો તમારો ટાઈમ બી બહુ જાય ને બહુ વાર લાગે ને ફિગર્સ બી મોટા આવશે ફિગર એક્ઝામમાં. 28 cube plus -15 cube plus -13 cube. You will get this idea. 15 plus 13, 28. Minus. Let a is equal to 28, b is equal to -50, c is equal to -30, a plus b plus c is equal to 0. Therefore, a cube plus b cube plus c cube is equal to 3abc. That means 28 cube plus -15 cube plus -13 cube is equal to 3. Product 3 times the product of the given number. આ ત્રણે ત્રણનો મલ્ટીપ્લાય 3 times કરો એટલે તમારો જવાબ 28. but you have to show this method બધી ફોર્મ્યુલા બધું બતાવવું પડે. is equal to 16380. that is your answer. Okay, now standard 9 exercise 2.5 example number 15. Up to 14 we have done it. Give the possible expressions for the length and breadth of each of the following rectangle in which their area are given. That means we are given the area of the rectangle. Area of rectangle is equal to length into breadth. That means length, the value of length and value of breadth are the factors of the rectangle. So whichever expressions is given, we will factorize it. So we will get the two values, two factors from it. One for the length and one for the breadth. Suppose numerically I will take it. Suppose you are given the 35 square meter. Then you factorize it 7 5s. So possible value of rectangle is 5 meter and 7 meter. Clear? One of the possible value. Okay. In short, you have to factorize it. One factorize is for the value of L and second is for value of breadth B. Area of rectangle L into B, that expressions you are given. 25a square minus 35a plus 12. Factorize it. How we will factorize? 25, 5 into 5. 12, 2 into 2 into 3. So I will get 5 into 4 into 4, 25 into 350. Minus 20 minus 50, 30 minus 35. And multiplus is equal to 300. Like this way, okay? 5a common, 5a minus 4 minus 3 common, 5a minus 4, that plus converted into minus. 5a minus 3 and 5a minus 4. So, thus the possible value of the length of breadth are 5a minus 3. L is equal to 5a minus 3, then breadth is equal to 5a minus 4. Or alternate. Other value L is equal to 5a minus 4, then breadth is equal to 5a minus 3. Get it? Second example you are given 35y square plus 13y minus 12. That is the area of rectangle. L into B. So I factorize 35, 7 into 5, 12, 2 into 2 into 2. So 2 parts plus 12, 28 and minus 15. In short, આને આપણે ફેક્ટરાઇઝ કરી દેવાના. એક ફેક્ટરને L તરીકે લઈ લેવાનો, એક ફેક્ટરને B તરીકે લઈ લેવાનો. ફિનિશ. 35 plus 12y minus 15, 12, 7y common, 5y plus 4 minus 3 common, 5y plus 4, 7y minus 3, 5y plus 4. Okay? If L is equal to 7y minus 3, then B is equal to 5y plus 4. If B is equal to 7y minus 3, then L is equal to 5y plus 4. Possible values are. Okay? Now example number 60. Here instead of rectangle, he has given the volume of the cuboid. What are the possible expressions for the dimension of the cuboid whose volume are given below? Volume of cuboid is equal to L into B into X. Whichever expressions is given, factorize it. Okay? So you will get the three factors. One for L, one for B and another for H. So the value of L, B and H are factors of the values of V. So we factorize the given expression of volume. Volume of cuboidal 3x square minus 4. 3x square minus 12x. 3x common, 3x minus 4. What is your 3? કયા તમારો 3 આવશે? 3 into x, x into minus 4. So one possible answer of dimensions of the cube. L is equal to 3, B is equal to x and h is equal to x minus 4. Get it? Another, you can add interchange. 6 possible values are there. हमारी बे बीजी लखी आपी. x minus 4 b is equal to h, x is equal to x is equal to l, b. Or in you can change the order L, B, H. Okay. Volume of Weddell. Next example. You are given expressions 12k y square plus 8y minus 12k, 20k. So L into B into H, 4k 3y square plus 2y minus 4. 4k 3y square minus 3 5y minus 4, 4k y minus 1 5k. So ટ્રાયમેટ્રી થી આપણે એના શું પડ્યા ફેક્ટર્સ 4k 3y. L is equal to 4k, b is equal to 3y plus k, y minus 2. Second time I will interchange. L is equal to 3y plus 5, b 4k, h is equal to y minus 5k. Like this way. Okay. So here your chapter is completed. Okay. In PDF file I have given the exercise for this one. Okay. I think 15 or 16 number માં મેં મોકલી છે. Try to solve it, practice it, practice make perfect. If you are not able to do it, take it અને રેગ્યુલર્સ માટે ગમે ત્યારે tell me, I will solve you. Okay. Next time we will start the chapter number 3, coordinate geometry. કાલથી આપણે કોર્ડિનેટ જ્યોમેટ્રી ચાલુ કરશું અને આની પ્રેક્ટિસ બુક નવનીતની પ્રેક્ટિસ બુક તમારે લઈ આવવાની બજારમાંથી અને અત્યારે જો કદાચ નહીં હોય તો મેં PDF ફાઇલ્સના અંદર એની એક્સરસાઇઝ મૂકેલી જ છે તે તમે કરી કાઢજો. ઓકે.